Hey everybody, Martika here, and welcome to my channel. So, here is the video that several of you have been waiting on. It is the Let's So Blue 2025 Diabetes Awareness Challenge, the collaboration video of those who participated. Now, I will tell you, we did not have as many participate this year, but the ones who did, thank you so very much. I know this has been a strange year. And if you are like me, you have been like pivoting and doing things and getting things done, and life is just really a little bit jumbled up right now, but that's okay. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I have had quite a few of you DM me letting me know that life got busy or you missed the message, so you missed the challenge and all that good stuff. But you know what? Hey, we'll do it again. All right. If we are all still here in the land of the living, we will do it again. So, first of all, I want to thank I had 4 entries this year, 4 entries. And I want to thank each and every one of you because you took the time out and you really took your time and sewed up your pieces. I can tell a lot of thought went into them because you messaged me, just about all of you, maybe except for a couple or so, let me know, hey, I got my fabric, I'm ready to get going and all of this good stuff. And the pieces are just wonderful. So for myself, I sewed up Simplicity. I got it on the wall over there, 9707. And I have sewn this top before, but the blue fabric that I had is crepe, as you can see. So yeah, I went on ahead and sewed this up for the Let's Sew Blue. So this is the collaboration video. You are getting ready to see every entry. And on top of that, I want to definitely tell you who the winner is for the gift. I told you that you would be getting a gift and there would be one winner. So out of the 4 people who sent me their submissions, I want to show you whichever one of you I draw. I want to show you what your gift is. So give me, this actually comes from my hands to your home, okay? Something that I really hope that you can use and that you will enjoy. All right. So first of all, I hope that you are a reader because I made this really cute book sleeve. Okay, so this could be for a book, for a notebook, whatever you want to put in here really, but it is a book sleeve. It can even fit your Kindle if you have a Kindle. So that is what this is. You have a it's very colorful. It does have some traces of blue in there, but I wanted to kind of make it be versatile to where you could choose kind of whatever. I mean, be fun with it. Not everybody's favorite color is blue. That's just the color for the challenge, but it does have some traces of blue in it to remind you that this came from you being drawn in the Let's So Blue challenge. Now, along with that, I I made a corner bookmark. Okay. So the way that this goes is you put this, open this up, you put this on the corner of your page that you are reading. So that is a book sleeve or a Kindle sleeve and a corner bookmark to go with it, or whatever book you want to put it in. And to match that, let's just say you're on the go. You want to go sit in the coffee shop or whatever. You don't want to lug a bunch of stuff with you. You just want to grab your cards that you need, your keys, and your book, and you want to be out the door. So you have a matching keychain wallet to go with that. Okay, and all of these, except for the bookmark, do have my logo on them. Martika J makes, like I said, they were made with my hands, even this keychain. So you get this little keychain wallet as well. Okay. So very, very cute. You, like I said, you can put some cards in there or whatever you want. It got your bookmark, your book sleeve, and you are ready to go with this adorable set. So whoever's name I draw, that is who will get this set. So without further ado, here is the collaboration video of these 4 beautiful ladies that submitted their pieces. So I am actually going to use this wheel of names to pick the winner. And there are 5 participants. So I'm going to put the names in the order that I received the entries. So the first one was Angoy Clothing. And then we had Claire Fortune next. Claire K. Fortune, sorry about that. And then we had Fazalone. And next was Sewing and More. And last but not least, there was Tishushu. All right, so those are the participants. Like I said, I put them in the order that I received their photos. So I'm gonna go up here to the wheel, and as you can see, it is spinning. And all I have to do is tap on this, and wherever it stops, that is who the winner is. So here we go. And our winner is Tishushu. So congratulations, you are the winner of this year's gift. Thank you so much for your entry. Thank you everybody for your entry. So what you need to do is email me your name, your address, where you want this gift to come to, and I will get it in the mail to you. So that ends our collaboration video for Let's Sew Blue 2025. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.